Russian course, level beginner, lesson 3. In this lesson, you will learn to count from 0 to 10, how to ask how you are and how to answer to this question. And you will learn some more countries. You will also have a chance to test your knowledge during this lesson. Numbers from 0 to 10. Listen and repeat, then pause the video and read the numbers. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. Exercise 1. Pause the video, calculate and say the result in Russian. For example, if you subtract 2 from 7, you get 5. 5. The next slide will help you check yourself. Check yourself. Number 1. 7. Number 2. 2. Number 3. 10. Number 4. 1. Number 5. 4. Number 6. 3. Number 7. 5. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 6. Number 10. 8. How are you? Number 1. Как дела? How are you? The literal translation of this question is, how are things? Number 2. Как? It can be translated as how. Number 3. Дела. Things. Answer. Now let's see how you can answer to this question. Как дела? Possible answers. Number 2. Очень хорошо. Very good. Number 3. Хорошо. Good. Number 4. Нормально. Okay. The literal translation of this word is normal. The answer is used if nothing unusual, surprising, or bad happens to you. Number 5. Не очень хорошо. Not very good. Number 6. Плохо. Bad. Listen and repeat, then pause the video and read them. Number 1. Как дела? Number 2. Очень хорошо. Number 3. Хорошо. Number 4. Нормально. Number 5. Не очень хорошо. Number 6. Плохо. Countries. Listen and repeat these countries, then pause the video and read them. Number 1. Америка. Number 2. Mexico. Number 3. Польша. Number 4. Украина. Number 5. Канада. Number 6. Литва. Let's remember what ending countries have after the preposition is from. We discussed it in lesson 6. Countries ending the letter ya which go after the preposition is, from, change the letter ya to the letter и. Number 1. Россия. Я из России. Number 2. Италия. Я из Италии. Number 3. Турция. Я из Турции. Countries ending the letter R, which go after the preposition is, from, change the letter R to the letter U. Number 1. Канада. Canada. Я из Канады. I am from Canada. Number 2. Литва. Lithuania. Я из Литвы. I am from Lithuania. Number 3. Украина. Ukraine. Я с or из Украины. I am from Ukraine. With this country, Ukraina, Ukraine, the common and correct preposition should be с in the Russian language. But you can also hear the preposition is. Listen and repeat, then pause the video and read them. Number 1. Канада. Я из Канады. Number 2. Литва. Я из Литвы. Number 3. Украина. Я с or из Украины. But if before the letter R, the consonants G, K, H, Ž, Sh, Ch, Sh go, the letter R changes to the letter E. Number 1. Америка. America. Я из Америки. I am from America. Number 2. Мексика. Mexico. Я из Мексики. I am from Mexico. Number 3. Польша. Poland. Я из Польши. I am from Poland. Listen and repeat. Then pause the video and read them. Number 1. Америка. Я из Америки. Number 2. Мексика. Я из Мексики. Number 3. Польша. Я из Польши. Exercise 2. Complete these sentences. Choose a correct ending, I or U. The next slide will help you check yourself. Check yourself. Number 1. Я из Канады. Number 2. Вера из России. Number 3. Ты из Италии. Number 4. Я из Америки. Number 5. Ольга с or из Украины. Number 6. Ты из Польши. Exercise 3. Pause the video, read these questions, then listen to the character and answer these questions in Russian. Give only short answers. The next slide will help you check yourself. For example, what does he do? Answer: врач, a doctor. Now listen to the character. Здравствуйте, я Филипп. Я адвокат. Я из Польши. Check yourself. Number 1. What is his name? Answer: Philippe. Number 2. What does he do? Answer: Advocat, a lawyer. Number 3. Where is he from? Answer: Из Польши, from Poland.
Thank you for the lesson. Please like, share and subscribe below for updates weekly. See you next time. Bye.